Hello. If I have understood the question very correctly, that what should I do to get a very good placement? And more of that you also asked that what do recruiters try to look into a prospective candidate? Fine. And but I think probably the something that was going into your mind was that you jumped on to the last stage first. That probably you were imagining about the interviews, one-to-one personal interviews, but actually it's not the case. See, whenever the company is coming to your campus, first of all, they will screen the CVs, the resume. And as of now, what I have seen, because I'm handling the placements as a placement head also, so what I have seen that they are generally going to use some kind of an AI tracker, like ATS application tracker, and they would see that whether a candidate's profile, looking into your internships, into your background of qualification background, educational qualification, if that is matching to the job profile, that is the job description or not. That's okay. This is the one stage. Generally what I have seen is that the very next stage is an aptitude test. Aptitude test, the students who qualify the aptitude test, they are subjected to a domain test. That means, just for say, if suppose e-cart or delivery is coming to our campus and looking for someone to work in the logistics and supply chain. This is the kind of the profile. This is what they are looking into. So they would like to test you that whether you possess enough knowledge, at least at the fundamental and elementary level, that do you possess that enough knowledge in the field of logistics and supply chain or not. That's your domain knowledge plus marketing a little bit. They will test you. And finally, what Sir has already positioned very well, he has that the attitude part. See, the personal interviews will take place, maybe or may not be with the group discussion. It happens, it may happen, it may not happen, but for most of the MBA cases, it does happen. So at the final stage in the interview, personal interviews, so it's almost a kind of a validation. And what you have professed, you have said, आपने जितनी भी बातें अपनी कही हैं, उनको वो टेस्ट और वेरीफाई करते हैं कि हाँ, आप वो जो आपके सीवी में लिखा हुआ है, आपने जो परफॉर्म किया है, आपने जो पिछले 1 साल, 1.5 साल, 2 साल में आपने जो सीखा है, वो सही है या नहीं है.